right? So chapter 4 under cubic equation. So let's start. Now, last lesson, we talk about this. Completed? Practice 9a. Right, can I write down the answer and then you compare? So let Charlene know, Hao Mingyuan, that this is x minus 1 instead of x plus 1, right? X plus 1. Wrong. Not x plus 1. Should be x minus 1. But are the two other factors correct? Are the other two factors correct? Okay. Do you know in exam this is worth 5 marks? Just like that. So the ability to do it means 1 grade jump. What is the two brackets? Now, what are the two brackets? It depends on what is your first factor. So, for example, Tiffany is asking what is the previous step. For example, if let's say I use this as my first factor, then the brackets, let me do it quickly, it will look something like that. However, if I choose x minus 2 as the first bracket, the other bracket will be different. Do you understand what I mean? Basically, you just expand everything. So there's no point asking me this, or rather, you should see your final answer is this. Understand now? Okay. Now, but if you want me to spot a mistake, later I come to you, I circle the mistake like you see. Now, can you look at your next one? Yes. Good. The next question is a solved question. So can you look at B now? Can you look at B now? Can you tell me your answer? Uh-oh. None of you done it. Can I pause the video now? Can all of you do this question? Now, what is the first step? Let what? Let fx be that thing, right? So you can even write down let gx, right? Gx equals to 2x cubed okay, let me try. So Gerald, what's the first step? What's the first step? Now this is your mid-year exam question. What's the first step? Shh. Oh, mode 3, 4. Can you try mode 3, 4? Tell me that first factor. The rest, can you continue? Go ahead of him. Go ahead of him. So what will you write? What will you write? When? Minus 3. You choose minus 3. Okay, so what do you write? F minus 3, and then you sub it in, right? But what is the magic word here? What should you write first? F minus 3 is equals to remainder, right? Remainder. And I sincerely hope that later on you look at the remainder. The remainder is what number? 0, right? Should be 0, right? If not 0, then got problem. Can you all do now? So I pause the video now. I pause the video and go. Now, notice that the question asks, solve this. But, hey, I have something like that. So how do I continue from here? Very simple. You will then write 2x cubed plus x squared minus 13x plus 6 equals to 0. My question is, are you able to replace this cubic thing with 3 brackets? Able to or not? It's the same bracket, right? So I'll be able to write down, oh, x minus 2, x plus 3, 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Does it make sense? Then can you tell me how to solve? What is x? Is it easy? Last year we did 2 brackets, right? Easy, right? Now with 3 brackets, is it still easy? So the answer will be x equals to 2, or x equals to negative 3, or x equals to half. 5 marks, just like that. So it's doable, achievable, can do one. Find x lah. Solve means find x ma. Right? All along we have been doing it. Right, take down the answer. The remaining I want you all to complete as homework. I want all of you to turn to the next page now. So I know factor of factor is this. I know I can form one equation. What about remainder of 20 when this? Can I form the second equation? Yes, no? Yes. If yes, does it mean I can solve P and Q? Can, huh? So solving P and Q, you put a tick. This one is doable. Alright? Whether you do wrong or not, careless or not, that's another story. Now, this itself will give you 3 marks. Next one. Factorize, able to do? Yes? We have done it in the previous page. Huh? So factorize means I want to have somewhat like that. Am I correct? Again, another 3 marks. This one, solve can do? Can. X equals to blah, x equals to blah, x equals to blah. Am I correct? Now, why fx equals to 0? Fx equals to 0 also means that the x cubed, x squared, x plus 10 equals to 0. It's the same thing. So it's just another way of writing. But you know you want to find x. Can I put that as homework? Yeah, this is simultaneous. Equation 1, equation 2, then you solve simultaneous. Now, homework, I want it to be due tomorrow, 18th of April. Can you write that down? Now, this one is today. This one was yesterday. This one is Monday. Today 16, right? So this was yesterday's homework, right? Okay, can you? Huh? Yeah, my fault. So can we take out the homework now? Since this is already supposed to be due yesterday, take out the homework. I will stop the video. I'll create another one for this homework. Once this is done, we will submit. Then I will talk about the cubic one. Let's start.